This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Heather's Homeworks.
Well, the holiday season is, I think it's safe to say, it's here. And people are going to be taking long stretches to visit family. They're going to be away for a little while. And you don't want to lose track of keeping your home clean. So we've got our friends from Heather's Homeworks joining us. Heather DeMarie and Lexi Santa Barbara are here. And this is a busy time of year for you guys, especially as holiday travel is upon us. People wanting to make sure their homes are clean before all their guests are coming over. Tell us a little bit about what's going on this time of year.
It sure is. It's busy for us. We have a lot of people who are expecting their families and loved ones to come and want to get their homes spruced up for the day. And we, like you said, also have people that are traveling to see loved ones and leaving their homes empty and vacant for some period of time, which ties into our Property Watch.
Yes, so let's dive into Property Watch, because this is something I think really unique to you guys and what you do, and it sort of serves a dual purpose.
Yeah, it really does, because we're in their homes normally as residential cleaners coming in. We know their pets, we know their preferences, and we're familiar with their home. So when they're on travel, if they have a need to have someone come in, check and make sure that the lights are off, that the thermostat's at the right setting, that the doors are locked, windows are closed, we're here to help them out with that situation as well.
I love that. Yeah, you act as sort of another layer of a safety precaution, but there's also some more on the books things that people might not consider when it comes to having your home vacant for a little while on the insurance side of things that you guys fill in the gaps and know about.
Yeah, so a lot of homeowners insurance policies have clauses that say when your home is vacant for a certain period of time, if something happens like water damage, storm damage, they won't cover it. So we really deep dived into that type of information and really honed in on that for the service we're offering to make sure that someone's there at least every 4 to 6 weeks, or even sooner. You know, some people have us come once a week just to be sure, because we've saved people thousands of dollars in unfortunate damages, and you never really think it's going to be you until it is. So.
I mean, this really sounds like such a great service that you guys provide. Have you gotten some customer feedback about it and what this all does for them?
Yeah, just recently, actually, a longtime client of ours decided to do this service. And on the first one, we reported that their door was left unlocked by guests who were previously there. Luckily, it was just a couple of days like that, but they weren't going to be back for months, which really causes a huge security concern. We found water damages, broken windows, siding hanging off. So really a variety of things that can happen.
Yeah, I think that is a huge peace of mind for your clients, that they can go away for the holidays, they don't have to worry about anything happening to their home, and that you guys are there not only to keep their house clean so that when they come home from the holidays they're walking into a gorgeous clean space, but they also know that it's safe, nobody else has been in there, that you guys have made sure that everything is handled. So I think if somebody is interested in either getting a hold of you guys, I know that for the holidays, the pre-cleaning, you guys are pretty booked, but if they want to utilize this Property Watch service, is that something extra that they have to do? Is that included as a customer? How do they get a hold of that?
A lot of our customers who are already on with us for cleaning do it in the off season, because a lot of them don't live here, so that's kind of included in their account. And then as far as new services, if they don't want cleaning services on a regular basis, they can just sign up for Property Watch, just as a service itself.
Perfect. So folks are looking for some more information. They want to get you guys to come out, see their home, see what the challenge might be or not. What is the best way for them to get a hold of Heather's Homeworks?
They can go to our website, which is heathershomeworks.com, or they can call our local phone number, which is 302-249-7660. And you can also find us on socials such as Facebook and Instagram.
Perfect. So lots of ways to get in touch with these guys and to ensure a clean home that you don't have to worry about. I mean, come on, that's the best gift of all, really, isn't it? So thank you, Heather DeMarie and Lexi Santa Barbara, for being here today and for what you guys do for the community with Heather's Homeworks.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for having us.
Of course. Coming up on CoastLife, though, Charlie and I are going to be talking about one neighborhood out in California that has decided to ban this one beloved activity. We'll get into it when we get back.